And so let's actually kind of expand on that. What are different causes of dementia?
In the different diseases that cause dementia, there's always something going on to the brain in particular. And in Alzheimer's disease, there's two different proteins that get deposited in the brain. And we as doctors can actually see the proteins by looking at brain tissue under a microscope, which would typically only be done after someone dies. But I mention this because this is how we can know for sure, with 100% certainty, what type of dementia someone has. And in Alzheimer's disease, the two proteins are something called amyloid, or sometimes beta amyloid, and the other abnormal protein is called tau, T-A-U. And the amyloid clusters and clumps together outside of cells and forms plaques. And the tau also clusters together, but it does it inside of cells, and it forms long chains, and the chains get tangled up, and we call them tangles. So Alzheimer's is a disease of amyloid plaques and tau tangles, and we can see these when we look under the microscope. But we can also detect evidence of these plaques and tangles while the person is still living. And we can do that by using a special type of a brain scan called a PET scan, or by doing a spinal tap, a lumbar puncture, and we can see abnormal levels of these proteins.
I think I'd probably opt for the PET rather than...
Yeah, and you are very lucky that as a veteran, you don't need to go through the regular insurance, because regular insurance, at least at the moment, does not pay for these PET scans.
Oh, wow.
But you can get them just like you would get an MRI scan without any special cost at the VA.
Hey folks, connecting with your benefits is our primary mission, and the SITREP is providing more options than ever.
Subscribe to our free email newsletter, subscribe to our audio podcast channel, or subscribe to our content on YouTube.
For details and links, check out the description below.